Turkey and the United States will hold a technical meeting on August 15 to renegotiate the purchase of F-16 Viper, Block 70 fighter jets. Anadolu Agency on Monday reported this, citing Defense Minister Turkey Hulusi Akar. Turkey and the U.S. will hold a technical meeting on the F-16 deal on August 15, Akar said. He added that the opportunity for Turkey to get 40 F-16 versus is wide open. Turkey also plans to upgrade 80 F-16 Block 30 to the Viper variant by purchasing its modernization kit from the U.S. Akar said Greece had tried to prevent the U.S. from selling F-16V fighter jets to Turkey, but failed. Ankara hopes for a positive outcome from negotiations on the delivery of F-16s from the U.S. Otherwise, there are already many alternatives in the world. New solutions are not excluded, he said. As previously reported in mid-July, the U.S. House of Representatives had passed a bill limiting the F-16 Block 70 sales program to Turkey. Except, if Turkey can guarantee that the F-16V it will buy will not be used to violate Greek airspace.